Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix MECCHA Chameleon if your game is not launching, crashing, not loading, black screen freezing, or even lagging on Steam that might contain you from playing. So I've got a few steps here that might help you or will help you on fixing the game. The first method here that we will do is by going on your Steam, click Library, find MECCHA Chameleon, right click on it, and then click on Properties. Over here, hover up to the installed files and then click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. Once here, just go ahead and click on it, as this will fix any corrupted files that may be on the game and will fix any issue regarding your lag or crashing. Go ahead and click on it and wait for it until it's done. Once the game has successfully validated as such, go ahead and exit out its window and try to play the game, as most likely it will fix any game, or if it does not, we have another method we could do. Another method we could do is by going ahead and right click on MECCHA Chameleon again, and then over to manage and then click on browse local files. Over here, go ahead and find penguinhotel.exe. It might not have that .exe, but go ahead and right click on it as such, and then go ahead and click on properties. Over here, click on compatibility and tick on disable full screen optimizations and run this program as an administrator. Once done, go ahead and click on apply and then OK. Go ahead and exit out this window as well, clear out everything, and try to play MECCHA Chameleon. Go ahead and check if it fixes. And another method we could do if it does not work is by going on your Windows right here. Go ahead and right click on your Windows or even search up Device Manager here. Once you click on it, a window will pop up, and on this window, go ahead and click on Display Adapters. Over here, right click on your graphics driver and then Update Driver. Once you click on it, go ahead and click on Search automatically for the best driver. If it does not find any, another method we could do is by manually searching it on our NVIDIA app. Go ahead and click on the arrow up on the taskbar and then right click on the NVIDIA symbol. Go ahead and right click and then NVIDIA app. Once it opens, go ahead and click on drivers, let it load. If your drivers have any latest driver updates, go ahead and click on download right over here. Once you click on download, there should be an installed section right here, and then go ahead and install the GPU and then restart your computer. Once you restart your computer, go ahead and try to open MECCHA Chameleon if it fixes any crashing or even lagging. One last method we could do is by downloading the C++ redistributable downloads. So it might be missing on your PC or even your graphics card driver. So what we do is go ahead and open up your browser and then type in C++ redistributable. Go ahead and press enter, and the first thing that pops up for the Microsoft website, go ahead and click on it as such right here, latest supported visual. Go ahead and click on it. Once in this page, go ahead and scroll down until you see the section that says x64 or even x86. Go ahead and download the link or click the link that has compatibility on your computer. Go ahead and click on it, and then it will pop up on your upper right if you have a Google Chrome or other even browser. Once fully downloaded, go ahead and click on it and continue as an installed file. Once it downloads, go ahead and restart your computer, as it might affect or it will fully affect on your computer once restarted. Go ahead and restart your computer, and it might most likely be a fix on your game. If this video helped you, please leave a like on this video. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.